Hello guys, this week I'm gonna take a break from my makeup for beginners videos. If you want something from me, if you want me to teach you something like a technique or I don't know, anything, please let me know in the comments section and I'll make sure I'll film it. But today I'm just gonna do a normal makeup tutorial look. I don't have anything planned. All I know is I want a brown makeup look with a twist. I still don't know what the twist is going to be, and for that I'm going to use two of my favorite palettes. Again, you don't need two palettes. I just want to take advantage of all the makeup I have and actually use what I have before buying something new. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Riviera palette, and the Alyssa Edwards palette. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see properly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start by applying a loose powder under my eyes. This is a banana powder by Makeup Revolution, just in case I'm gonna have fallout. I've used this palette before a lot and it never happened, but I don't know, sometimes I go too heavy and I don't want to have a surprise. By the way, if you want to check my base makeup, I filmed a reel for my Instagram with a new technique I saw on TikTok. That thing when you apply everything really high on your face to lift your face. It's really weird when you think about it, when you first see it, but then you're like, kind of makes sense and it kind of works. I have coffee with me because this makeup look, it is inspired by coffee. That's because I want to post this makeup look on Instagram as well, and I want to link it with my latest post, which is about makeup, coffee, sorry. So yeah, I'm a weirdo. Okay, so I'm going to start with shade Back Rolls from Alyssa Edwards palette. I don't even know, maybe I won't even use the other one. Maybe I'm gonna end up using just one palette. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this in the inner corner, outer corner of my eye. I'm mostly tapping the brush to apply all the pigment. That's why I have the loose powder under, because while I tap it, I have some fallout. Then I take another small brush. I take shade The Supreme and I'm going to blend this dark brown. Oh, this is more orangey than I expected, but it's okay. I'm applying the shade The Supreme on the entire crease, like this. How are you guys feeling, by the way, now that we have news that at some point during this summer everything is going back to normal? But to me, I'm not sure we are going back to normal. To me, it's gonna be a new normal. I think a lot of people are gonna still be scared. A lot of people will still use face masks, probably like on the tube or buses, or I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be back to exactly how it used to be, and I'm not sure if that scares me or I'm just gonna be like, yeah, it is what it is. I don't know. But I really want to go back to work, basically, which great, took the wrong brush, but it's fine, we can fix it. I need some form of routine in my life. I need to wake up like a normal person again and go to sleep at a normal time. That's not 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning sometimes. Now I'm gonna take shade Headliner, which is the white here, on a fluffier blending brush, and I'm gonna blend these colors to soften them. Because I really messed up right here in the inner corner. I want to take shade Inspire or shade Yacht from, I don't know which one of these. This is more champagne, this goes a little bit more bronzy. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the bronzy one, which is the one from Riviera palette, this shade right here. And I'm going to use my finger because they're the best brushes I have. Now making sure I don't have harsh lines like I do here. Blend them. This was something I've been wondering for a while. Like, you know, sometimes I stop talking because I'm really focused on what I'm doing here and I stop blending. And obviously I cut a lot of the stuff when I'm editing, but there are bits when I'm silent while I do something, and I was wondering if you like to hear some form of background music while I do that. Let's say I blend here for like, I don't know, 3 seconds, but instead of having everything like in silence, if you like me to put some music. I don't know, I really want to do the lower lash line pink. Yes, I'll do it. And from the Elisa Edwards palette, I am going to use Texas Made, my favorite pink ever. And I just ruined another brush. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna put pink under my eyes. Now for even more weirdness, if you want, I am going to use Brick Road, which is this vibrant yellow here, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I know I said it's going to be a coffee inspired makeup, but yeah, I like it. I like it. And now I'm going to take Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in shade 32 Go Green, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. I don't know why am I talking like a weirdo. Now I'm going to quickly do the other eye, and I'm going to come back to show you the final result and choose a lipstick. This eye is done too. Now I'm going to clean this powder under my eye. Whoop. Now I really want to apply some of the white shade, the headliner one, under my brows. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara ever, which is Essence Lash Princess Falls Lash Effect Mascara. I'm gonna apply it. Oh no, I kinda gave up on false lashes. I haven't worn false lashes in a long time. Because I think when you have a really good mascara, you don't feel the need. Even though it takes the makeup next level. Okay, so the makeup look is finished. On my lips I have LMX Beauty, which was a limited edition one, and I'm running out of it and I'm really annoyed. Is a lip liner in shade Cupid, and then on my lips I have this lip gloss by I Heart Revolution in shade Salted Caramel, and I really like this look. I think it's really fun. I wanted it to be more brownish, but then I came with all these pop-up colors and I totally changed what I had in my head. But yeah, I really like it. I hope you like it too, and I'm gonna put some photos I'm gonna take here, and if you like that sort of content, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because there's where I post all my makeup looks, lifestyle posts, and a lot of fashion as well.